Hello everyone. Let's get discussed about how we can add a new custom field for the existing projects in JIRA. Right now we are using the cloud version of JIRA. So let me quickly give a walkthrough. So on the top right corner, we have the settings. So click on the settings and you can see the issues screen or the issues option. Click on the issues option. You will be redirected to the issue type screen. And here you scroll down to the left, we have a category called as fields and click on custom fields. Right now we have all the custom fields which are displayed under active, and there are some trashed option as well. We can take a look at it, but right now our plan is to create a new custom field. So the right side corner, we have the create custom field. And even before that, you can see that currently 43 custom fields are already created or already defined within this JIRA Cloud server. So now I'm clicking on create a custom field. Once you click on it, the field type will be coming up the screen. Here we have two options again, standard versus advanced. I would like to go for a standard option. And there are different field types already given, like checkbox, date picker, or a date and time picker, or label, number field. It is up to us as a user how or what type of field we would like to create. And you can see a cascading list or some multiple choice list or a single choice list. All these things, the text field, a URL or a user picker, and everything, all the different types of field under standard itself. In advanced, there will be multiple other options. Right now, we are looking at creating one custom field for a list box. So I am selecting the select list and I'm clicking on next. So here we are having an option of how to configure a custom field. It is showcasing what is the type of field we selected. If in case anything is required, we can go back and we can change it. So now I will be giving a name for the board. I'll be giving a field name and description. It is up to us to pick required board from the list of available boards. Now here in the options, we have the thing to add, right? So we can add what are the options we have. We want SQW board, test board. It is up to us. This is the list. These options can be anything what we as a customer or what we as a user want to have it. We can add other board. Not applicable. I'm just creating some values. And now I'm clicking on create. Once we click on create, the option for the field will be created. So now the next step is like we need to configure which screen this field, the custom field which we generated or which we created needs to be displayed. So we can choose which screens you want to. I don't want for all the screens, so I want only for the specific screens under the SQW project. So I'm selecting the bug screen as well as the Scrum default issue screen, and I'm clicking on update. Right. So once it is done, so it will be displaying the current active custom fields list as 44. Now that we are done with the active field creation, let's go to an issue within the SQW project and let's refresh and see what happens there. As you can see, we have this new field got displayed, board name under board name test. Click on it and select which value you want to update for that board name test field. Same way I'm doing it for the another issue. I'm refreshing the screen so that the new field, custom field which created will get displayed. Again, I'm selecting the SQW board. This way, we created the custom field and we associated the custom field to the required screens, and we were able to see the new custom field created in the required screens as well. Hope this information is helpful for creating a new custom field and associating with the screen.